to Superb Kitchen. As Jamaican, we know our national dish is ackee and saltfish, but have you ever had ackee and saltfish seasoned rice? Well, somebody said no. Today is your lucky day. Here I have some ackee, some saltfish, okra, sweet pepper, hot pepper, some garlic, white onion, tomato, and some pretty pumpkin, thyme, 2 cups of rice, butter, vegetable oil, all-purpose seasoning, and black pepper. So I'm going to start. So start by pouring in your oil, vegetable oil, let it sit. This oil is just to saute your seasoning. Now we are going to put in the rest of our ingredients. Get some water. So guys, after you put in your ingredients, all the ingredients, you pour in 3 cups of water. And I have 2 cups of rice here. And you put in 3 cups of water. All-purpose seasoning. Your butter, a tablespoon of butter. Black pepper, and before you put in your salt, you need to let this come to a boil and then taste it, because you know saltfish is salt. So you need to let it come to a boil so that the saltfish flavor come out in it. Then you will know how much salt to put in. Alright guys, so we're going to let this come to a boil now, then we'll put in the rice. This is boiling, so now that the saltfish flavor is out, we are going to taste, and this doesn't want any more salt, so just put in your 2 cups of rice. Thanks for watching guys. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. I would love to hear your feedback. And if there is anything you would like me to cook, leave that in the comment section as well. Keep watching more videos to excite your taste buds.